What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary, host of The How To Show, where we talk about optimizing life, money, and happiness one how-to at a time. Gonna do a 2-for-1 to start out the new year. So this episode is gonna be about internet service. And we'll start by saying that I found out about this by accident, and we'll go forward and explain it in greater detail. So a couple of months ago, I realized that my promotional pricing for my internet had expired. And so if by chance you're a Spectrum customer, you can probably use this to your advantage. If you run out of promotional time with Spectrum, all you have to do is call in and tell them that you're on a budget and you need to see if there are any new promotions available. Not technically lying, we are on a budget. So we asked them if there were any new promotions available, and they obliged, and they dropped our bill down. I think it was $20 a month for the next coming year. So if you're a Spectrum customer, hopefully you can use that to your advantage. But while I was on the phone with the gentleman who was helping me out, he asked me if I had heard about the government-funded program for situations where you can get a credit of up to $50 a month on your internet service. And for the life of me, I had no idea what he was talking about. And so he directed me to a website, and we're going to jump over to it now because the details that I found when I did some research, I think more people would find themselves in this situation than maybe you would have originally thought. So this is worth a share. We'll jump over to the website now. So this is the website for the USAC Affordable Connectivity Program, web address acpbenefit.org. This is a slightly new version of the same sort of website that existed as part of the COVID response relief packages of 2020. And basically, the way this works is it helps low-income households pay for broadband service and internet-connected devices, exactly as the website says. And it goes to basically different thresholds, but the bottom line here is that this is an income-based opportunity for you to get some help when it comes to getting your internet paid for, which is basically a vital lifeline anymore. And so the first link you check out is do I qualify? And so we'll click over to that page. And the way the program works is it's based on your income relative to 200% of the federal poverty guidelines. And there's a really easy table to check this out. And so based on the number of people in your household, there is an income threshold to determine whether or not you qualify for the program. And if you do qualify, you can apply for the program, which is a separate link up above in the how to apply section. You can walk through that there. But you can do this based on your income, or if you are a participant in any one of these numbers of federal assistance programs, there's an opportunity for you to qualify that way as well. And so I just want to bring this to your attention. If you know somebody that may be able to benefit from this, or if you can benefit from it yourself, knowledge is power, and I'm going to duplicate my efforts to share things that I find like this in 2022, just like I have done in prior years. So hopefully there's some benefit out of this. We'll switch back now. That's going to bring this episode of the show to a close. Maybe you can use this in your life. If you meet the criteria, maybe you can't. And if you can't, maybe you can share it with somebody who can. Because knowledge is power, and that stays true in 2022, just as it has in all the years prior. So if you got any value from this episode, feel free to hit the like button to let the YouTube algorithm know that this is a video that other people should be watching as well. And if you got any feedback for the show, or you have any ideas for future topics for me to cover, leave me a comment down below. I engage with each and every one of those. And if you want to be the first to know about new videos each and every Wednesday, hit the subscribe button. That's the best way to do that. If you're a podcaster, you can find the How To Show on the podcast player of your choice. And if you are interested in buying or selling a home in the Indianapolis area, I can help you with that as well. You can get in touch with me either in the comments or at IndeedDwell.com. There's a link in the show notes as well. Until next time, this is Anthony Drew Gary, host of The How To Show, signing off.